is a transistor. It's a BC547 transistor. In this video, I will be showing you how to test transistor and how to know their type, if it is a PNP or an NPN. So, we'll test this transistor by taking the negative probe to the base pin of the transistor. Then we'll take the positive probe to the collector, and we have a reading. And we'll take the positive probe to the emitter pin of the transistor, and we have a reading trying to tell us it is a PNP transistor. But I don't think so. Now let's swap the probes. Now the positive probe will be in the base, and while the negative probe will be at the collector and the emitter. And we have readings in all sides. So this transistor is reading NPN and PNP. So this transistor is really bad. Here is the same type of transistor. It's also a BC547 transistor. So let's see if this transistor is good. Now, let's still do the same thing by taking the negative probe to the base pin of the transistor, and wire the positive probe to the collector pin and the emitter pin of the transistor, and we have no reading. So trying to tell us this transistor is not a PNP transistor. So now we'll swap the pins again, and you see we have readings. So this transistor is an NPN type transistor, and it's a working transistor. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like.